Everyone, my name is Luca. I'm the co-founder and COO at Bluvo, and we're officially supporting Coinbase in our Bluvo Transact operations. This means that your customers can pass through OAuth2 authentication to withdraw funds from Coinbase to decentralized finance and vice versa. Now, I'm going to show you a quick demo of how this all works. So to the left side, we have the desktop, and to the right side, we have the mobile device. And we're going to go ahead and connect and sign in with our Coinbase wallet, Coinbase account. And we're going to pass through our two-factor authentication. So we're going to open up the Google authentication and paste that code right in. And from here, we're going to give access to Bluvo Transact, Bluvo Test, allow the access. And here's where we're going to perform the withdrawal. And when a new withdrawal request is made, an end-to-end encryption keys are generated that open up a UDP socket communication channel. So we're going to put this 6-digit code in, and it's going to load up into our mobile device. We're going to sit right here. So it's processing the withdrawal. It's going to take a couple seconds. And the process is complete. So the withdrawal has been completed from the Coinbase wallet.